Okay, so what I want to do today is to make multiple copies of a cutout. So I want to cut out a lot of the same things on one sheet. So I need to go and import my curve. I'm going to use the elbow here, and I'm going to select it, and this is a curve, and I'm going to position the object. Right, so now it's set up. I need to make multiple cuttings. So I'm going to use the array, and the distance needs to be the full distance. So the dimension of my piece is on the x direction 44 millimeters. I need to add the distance of my drill bit, which is 3.125 millimeters. So I will use let's say 48 millimeters, just for good measure, and you could use a little more. It would this way you could leave a little bit of meat. I'm going to cut as close as possible. So use array, and the Y count is going to be 1, but the this is going to be let's say 5 for now, and the X distance is going to be 48 millimeters. And let's see what happens. Calculate the path. So now I have copies of my cutout, and I don't need to redraw, I don't need to make anything. So if I want a bipolar array, so X and Y array, then I could use let's see, 2 and 0.48. Excuse me. Oops. And so let's calculate the path again. So what one of the problems is the use array, when it's not ticked, it just disappears, and it makes it almost difficult to find. So you can find it in cam operation setup. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like this. I will try to make some more videos to help you with Blendercam. Have a great day.